While commuting on trains, passengers expect a fast and reliable internet connection. Since its release as part of the 3G standard, MIMO technology has become an essential element of wireless communication standards such as 4G and 5G. It enables much higher data rates by using simultaneous data streams. Typically, MIMO-capable train radios are connected to single antennas which are spaced apart, with a technique known as spatial diversity. However, research has shown that antennas deployed in this arrangement can only support MIMO conditions up to a maximum 30% of the time, regardless of how far apart the antennas are spaced. This is mainly due to the fact that the train antennas share a common polarization. Not to be confused with radiation pattern, the polarization refers to the direction of the electromagnetic fields produced by the antenna as the energy radiates away from it. Since base stations typically deploy dual-polarized antennas and train rooftop antennas share the same polarization, more often than not, train radios have difficulty in supporting MIMO. The system will fall back to diversity mode only using the antennas with the strongest signal strength and losing the ability to use simultaneous data streams, resulting in lower data rates. In order to address this issue, Huber & Sünner is proud to announce the release of its dual-polarized railway rooftop antennas, which meet all railway requirements for performance, robustness and compliance. Named the SENCITY Rail MIMO Plus, these next-generation antennas employ a patent-pending omnidirectional dual-polarized antenna arrangement, which increases the support for MIMO conditions up to 3 times when compared to regular antennas. By supporting MIMO conditions on average up to 90% of the time, the SENCITY Rail MIMO Plus antennas offer improved data throughput rates for train passengers, especially in rural areas with limited cellular network coverage. This ensures a robust and reliable network connection while on the move, allowing train operators to meet the increasing connectivity demands of passengers. The SENCITY Rail MIMO Plus antennas are able to utilize dual polarization technology just like the base station antennas. This ensures that data streams are highly decoupled from each other with up to 50 dB in isolation across most frequency bands, eliminating interference and providing train radios with the best possible conditions to support MIMO, even in the sub-1 GHz frequency bands. Another important design consideration for rooftop antennas is protection from catenary lines. As rooftop antennas are often the highest point on the train, they may come close to high voltage catenary lines. If not adequately protected, the catenary may induce energy into the electronic equipment, potentially damaging the onboard train radios. This is especially important in catenary line breakages. The mechanical impact force of a catenary line may expose the metallic parts of the antenna elements, creating a dangerous situation for electrical fires inside the train. All Huber & Sünner rooftop antennas, including the SENCITY Rail MIMO Plus, feature robust antenna elements which are grounded to the train body, ensuring that energy from the catenary does not follow the RF path into the train, but rather is rerouted to the train's own electrical safety system. Huber & Sünner's SENCITY Rail MIMO Plus antenna sets a new benchmark in rail communications.